right, Tay. What does it take to be good at gymnastics?
Uh,
Flexibility,
mhm,
strength,
mhm,
coordination,
mhm.
practice.
Yeah.
Oh, gymnastics is just like life, huh?
Mhm.
Because you have to have flexibility because the world will change back and forth. You have to be flexible in the day, like how you operate sometimes and different things that pop up, a situation you didn't anticipate. What was the other one? Strength? You gotta
Mhm.
have strength. You have to have emotional strength. You have to have physical strength sometimes to navigate your day and your life. What's the other one? Coordination? You have to be coordinated. You have to be able to coordinate different processes, different habits you have, different parts of your life. Coordinate pickups and drop-offs and going to work on time and coordinate every part of your life so you show up because a part of being successful is showing up. What was the last one? Practice?
Mhm.
You got to practice. And life every day is a practice. The thing is, sometimes we all go to practice and we don't realize we're supposed to be trying to get better that day. And sometimes, if you think about sports, when you went to sports, your goal was some days to get better and you went and got better, but then days you just kind of showed up and you went through the motions, you never got better. Then you couldn't figure out why you didn't get in the game and why you didn't win the game, right? So for your life, it's pretty much like gymnastics in any sport in that aspect. You have to make sure when you're going to practice that you're there to get better. Every day that you go through life, it's a practice. And I wish it could be easier, but it's pretty much not. Life is just a matter of days you're practicing for the moments to succeed when an opportunity arises. Right, Tay?
Yeah.
That's it. So, share the video, right? And as always, good night. God bless and
Go Ducks.
go, Ducks!